What's up everyone, it's your boy CJ, welcome back, and today we've got the brand new iPad Air 4. First of all, shout out to my friend Matthew for hooking me up with this, really appreciate it bro. Let's take a look at the packaging of the iPad Air 4. As you can see on the side, you've got the iPad Air label, and on the other side too. As you can see from the top, it's got the Apple logo. So this is the base model. This is the 64GB iPad Air 4. Inside this packaging, you've got the iPad Air, USB-C charge cable, and the USB-C power adapter. So yes, this iPad does support USB-C charging, which allows for faster data transfer and faster charging. The color of this is the sky blue color, as you can see from the side. Sky blue color is one of the new colors. Okay, so inside the box, we're greeted with the iPad itself. I'm gonna put it aside, and inside we've got the usual books. So iPad Air books. Okay, and we should have the stickers. Everyone always wants a sticker, so we've got 2 stickers in the box. Okay, so we've got the charging brick. This is a 20 watts charging brick. I'm gonna open that. So as you can see, USB-C. So meaning even the cable itself is USB-C to USB-C. So this is 20 watts charging brick, USB-C. Okay, so that's pretty much it inside the box. Everything else is just empty. We're gonna grab the iPad now. I'm gonna open it. Wow, this color is really beautiful. Okay, first of all, this color is really beautiful. This is the sky blue color. In this video, I put it against the green so you can see how much it does stand out, and it really does stand out. So the other color options available are space gray, silver, rose gold, green, and this very sky blue color. This iPad has the square edges and an aluminum back, so it feels very comfortable to hold. The iPad also has the A14 Bionic chip, which is the chip that's also available in the iPhone 12s, in the new iPhone 12s. So that's the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM. It's compatible with the Magic Keyboard and the Smart Keyboard Folio. The iPad is also compatible with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation, so you cannot use the Apple Pencil 1st generation. Here we've got 2 speakers at the bottom and 2 speakers at the top. Very light indeed, weighs less than a kg, about 0.5 if I'm not mistaken. So we're going to power it on. As you can see, there's no home button, there's no Face ID on this iPad, so we only have a power button on the top. Now this power button is also the new integrated Touch ID. It's supposedly very fast, so we're gonna test that out in another video. So I'm gonna wait for it to power it on. Okay, so I managed to power it on, and as you can see, it's an all-screen display. This screen is a 10.9-inch liquid retina display. Also has True Tone and P3 white color. Okay, so as you can see from here, that's where the Touch ID says. So all you have to do is just rest your finger and rest open, and there we go. It's that easy. I'm gonna try it again to see how fast it actually is. Pretty quick actually. So either you can decide to tap and then rest to open, or you can just unlock it and then it's that quick. Oh my goodness, wow. Okay, that's very quick. Okay, so so that's pretty much it about the screen. It's a 10.9 liquid retina display, True Tone, P3, and you can actually switch on the True Tone feature by opening the control center, hard press there, and then as you can see, True Tone. You won't be able to see much of a difference from my camera, but from my eyes, like, I can really see the difference. Okay, now getting to the camera of the iPad Air 4, it has a 12 megapixel back camera, and to the front it's got a 7 megapixel FaceTime camera. Now the back camera does support, as you can see from here, so it does support recording 720 in 720 at 30 frames per second, and the highest it can go is recording in 4K at 60 frames per second. I mean, that's not bad for an iPad, because not many people use an iPad to record or take pictures, but the camera quality on this is very good. So I did take a couple of pictures, as you can see here, of the outside. As you can see, it's very crisp, still a bit grainy, but the detail is definitely visible. Like, as you can see, the rod here, that's actually very nice. Yeah, so the camera quality on this is superb. Okay, so the price tag on the iPad Air 4, you can get this at 2,600 ringgit. I'll put the other price conversions right there. And that's for the base model, 64 GB, 2,600. The higher end models, I'll put the prices also, you can check them out there. So everyone, that's it for the iPad Air 4. This really is the iPad if you're a student and just wanna, it's in the era. We're in the era for digital note taking. So if you really want to get yourself something new, something fancy, something close to the iPad Pro, well, if you can't afford an iPad Pro, this is the closest thing you can get to. Okay, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.